Let's create a trendy menu design for a cafe and studio. Start by selecting the A4 template preset. Let's use a funky font like OI for the headline. To contrast this, we'll use a bold font for the subheadings and a monospaced one for the descriptions. This gives the menu a clean and modern look. To add in the text for the menu, paste it into a text field using Command or Control-V. To break down the order of information in the menu, I use different sizes, boldness, and underlines for the main headings to subheadings to body text. This creates hierarchy and visual appeal. To create another point of contrast in the design, I created a blue section for the drinks menu, color picking the blue from the text and setting the text in the pink color of the above background. Keeping the menu duotone helps make it feel clean and modern. Lastly, to fill in the negative space, I used some abstract graphics from the Elements panel, color matching them to the design to retain the simplicity of the color palette. Have fun and experiment with your own designs and combinations. Make sure to like and follow for more quick tips. Studio, go beyond ordinary.